We are arriving at Clifton Hill, where
I just got done with
fun
my video.
stuff happens. Lily was vlogging too. But really, this place
really
looks
cool.
so cool. And the kids are not agreeing to go on the Ferris wheel with me.
I'll go. Yeah, Mom, I'll go.
Okay, cool. Because we just need to ride that. It looks really fun. There's the sky view. It is pretty high. But they need to get over it, get some courage. Right, Dill?
No, I said I'll go. What? Dylan,
Who's your
look
friend
at the
here?
puppy. What?
Who's your buddy right here?
What? It's just pet
Rex?
puppy.
That's your buddy Rex?
Who's Rex? That looks nothing like Rex.
We're at Ripley's. What are you doing? About to get our Ripley's tickets. Should be an interesting experience.
That milkshake hit me hard. Hi guys. I gained a little weight since I last vlogged.
Lily had a couple cheat meals.
Go that long, Mom.
She kept putting rings on it.
How do you put that? How does that make? How do you even put rings on it? Yeah, Mom. How do you again?
She looks unhappy also. What do you think?
She has a really she's really tall right here, and then she's really tall right here.
She's kind of short. She's little. But then she's taller than me.
Crazy.
This dude. Isn't he on the cover of one of the books?
Yeah.
He wanted to be a lizard. Well, he got his wish.
Like a 4-lane dervish, he makes them twist and twirl like spaghetti, and he enjoys it.
Oh, this is what these are. Is that a miniature or something?
I can't see anything from this side, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah. So Mom doesn't have to look down.
That's so cool. Let me see. Can you focus? Very cool. No.
Well, you can grab the station.
Here, hold it.
Station 3. See how fast your heart's beating.
So this is Buddy Boop on the Eye of a Needle. So cool. And a needle in there? That's just crazy. Would you like to demonstrate?
Yeah. So if you ever come here, that's how it's done.
Nailed
Or
it.
anywhere else.
Alright.
Do we get a prize for it? Oh, we don't get a prize for it. I'm gonna go here.
Okay.
Wait, are you videotaping? Show me what you got. I don't like it like that. I'm too short.
You guys all line up this. Where's the rest of them?
I'm walking on the I'm swimming. I'm walking in. I'm walking on guys, I'm gonna
Sorry. Do it again.
6 people went down in a barrel. Down back. I don't think so. They were idiots. More than this. Vegan and this me. Oh, how beautiful is the wall. I'm on a 6. Burr, burr.
Here's Elsa done in pearls. And then we have Kanye toast art. Nicki Minaj toast art. My personal favorite, Anna Nicole Smith junk art. I just love this. Those are made out of tacks. And then this is a candy Justin Bieber. Look at those Swedish fish. I think those are, I don't know what those are, bottle caps? Gummy bears. Genius. Lily's doing a giant operation game.
I didn't hurt you.
How you doing on that?
He keeps on complaining. It's really easy because I like eating Chinese food.
did it? Alright, get mom.
Wait, hold on. Let me push all these back so I can do something. So I can do something on the other side. Watch on. Hang on. I put my face in it. I don't care. Wait, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it, Mom. Let me do it.
Okay.
Oh, Mom. And don't ruin it, please. Okay, get it. It's fine. Mom, come here.
That's awesome.
What does it look like?
Put your face next to it.
The primary color. Oh my God. Stay.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's awesome.
The tallest, the fastest,
You have to stop it. Stop it.
the greatest, amazing feats,
Hey guys!
and amazing facts.
No, stop it. Stop pushing it. We're trying to dry it off.
Yeah, Lily,
Guinness
turn.
World Records Museum. Fun for all ages. It's all.
Okay, we decided on Rainforest Cafe. His mom's a sucker. It's gonna be delicious. Is it gonna be delicious?
I've never been at one.
I guess we'll find out.
Grandpa has because I've seen a shirt of his like.
Yeah, I think we went with Grandpa when we were at Disney World or maybe Chicago.
Can you send this footage to me because my phone died?
Yeah.
Did you send?
Okay, Lily's trying to win the jackpot. Oh, bummer. This again?
It's a white tip. It's a white tip. Brief shirt.
How do you know that?
That's it right there.
Oh, clever. So clever.
You really thought Lily knew that?
Yeah.
It reminds me of the Jungle Book.
Yeah.
It reminds me of Mopat One.
Pretty cool.
They have a mini golf. There's stories in there. They have like an arcade. Bumper carts. We went on the mini golf.
I got you on there.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Hi.
Speak up.
Tell them what you got. I got food.
What is it?
Food.
Castaway pizza or something?
Yeah.
No?
French fries, a roll, and pasta. Cha-cha pasta or something like that.
That looks pretty tasty. And then I got
Wait. Cha-cha pasta with meatballs.
And Mom got the shrimp bake with a substitute of chips for the rice because he said that rice wasn't gluten-free and veggies. It's pretty tasty. It's a thunderstorm.
I told you it was raining. Ah. Where is the Jungle Book? I can't get out. There's elephants. It's about.
Are we gonna get wet in a thunderstorm?
Yeah. It's not.
No.
Why is it thundering? I just started.
I didn't bring my umbrella, did you?
No.
Shoot, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
We're just gonna have to get wet.
It's not even raining.